Have you ever received calls from your bank asking you to invest in a mutual fund or a medical policy? Have you ever been suggested by a relative of yours to invest in a financial scheme? Chances are that you have experienced this situation, and the result is that you have multiple life insurance policies, mutual funds, etc. in an unplanned way. Well, this is nothing to be scared of. In fact, this is very common if you have been managing money on your own. But if you want to sort it all out, watch this video till the end of it. Hey guys, welcome back to the India Lab. I'm going to talk about why you need a certified financial planner. You know, as soon as I landed my first job, I hired the services of a financial planner, and since then I've been least worried about how my money is being managed. In this video, I'm going to ask you to consider 6 questions which will help you understand why you need a certified financial planner. There are many components to financial planning, like life insurance, medical insurance, taxation, investments, etc. To understand all these components to create a good financial plan can be a daunting task, unless you're trained to do so. So the best way is to hire an expert and let them do the job for you. This way you will relieve yourself of all the worries about a very important aspect of your life. We spend majority of our day doing our jobs or running our businesses. We put in a lot of efforts to make that money, right? Don't you think that our hard-earned money should be managed properly? With little time in our hands, we probably cannot do the financial planning in the right way possible. Also, the financial industry is super vast and very confusing with all its technical terms. So it's best to give financial planning to someone who's a professional and does it for a living. Financial markets can be very volatile, and not everyone can keep their calm during the low phases. During these times, many investors panic and lose their money, but many do not. The difference is that people who do not lose their money are the ones who are financially educated and have the right attitude to deal with these situations. A person investing through a CFP gets financially educated on a regular basis through emails and phone calls, which helps him avoid panicking and losing money in a market crisis. In fact, someone very wise said that investing is not a numbers game, it's a mind game. How do you make your investment decisions? Do you invest in equity, in debt, or in both? And in what percentage? Does it all sound very confusing to you? If yes, then you aren't ready to manage the investments on your own. When I first went to my financial planner, I was asked to take a test. The test was basically to understand all the factors that are needed to customize a financial plan, like my age, my income, my risk appetite, family details, and my financial goals. This helped my financial planner divide my money in equities and debt in the right ratio. On the other hand, if I would have done it on my own, I probably would have not done it in the right way, and in the long run, I may not have achieved my financial goals. I'm going to ask you a very simple question. Let's say you want to develop a website for your new business. Whom would you approach for that? A web developer, right? Then why would you invest your hard-earned money on your own when you have little to no knowledge about it? Think about it. Answering this question genuinely to yourself can save you from a huge financial mess in the long run. You all must have watched various financial TV channels where the experts advise you on buying financial schemes and instruments. In my personal opinion, one should never listen to them, because if someone is giving you free advice, then they have the freedom to keep it biased for their own benefit. Instead, one should hire a CFP who can take you through various processes to help you customize a financial plan as per your needs. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to know more about this, in the description section below, I'm sharing the details of my financial planner and his blog, which has a lot of information which will help you succeed in your financial journey. Also, a couple of weeks ago, I made a video on the basics of wealth building, which is right here. So do watch it. You'll find it very interesting. Thank you so much and see you next week.